Alright folks, everyone right here, we got a 10-man built 2x4. Nice little build. Real pretty box. Good job on it. There's a couple problems. Output, the combiner resistors are getting hot on the output. Put some new metal clads in it, which that ain't the fault of the builder, it's just the way it is. Put some metal clads in it and put some new combiner resistors in it. Should be good to go. Looks pretty good now. 5-volt reverse. Worldwide, real drive wide open. Worldwide. 1,000 watt slug, average power. Worldwide. 400 average. Worldwide. PP. 1,000 watt slug. Worldwide, get on down. Worldwide, get on down. 2,500 watt slug. 2x4. Worldwide, 2x4. Worldwide. Go down. Of course, that's that old type meter. Y'all know the meter. Worldwide, go down. Worldwide, go down. I think about need some batteries too. But we'll look back and look at the 1,000 watts. That batteries about dead in that one too. Worldwide, go down. So let's do 1,000 peak. But just want to do you a video so this is good. Did actually run it for a while and laid my finger on that resistor and never did get that hot. But there she is, folks. 10-man 2x4 repair review. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend 1001AB. Catch you later.